The U-Anchor from Anchor Products is the fastest and easiest method for creating a watertight and maintenance-free solution on any commercial roof type. The U-Anchor can be used for anchoring heavy equipment, solar arrays, pipe and wire management, bracing and support systems, safety and protection, and more. For additional information such as product selection assistance, data sheets, detailed drawings, testing reports, and even to hire a professional to install the U-Anchor for you, log on to www.anchorp.com or contact 888-575-2131. The following instructions are meant to be utilized by an experienced and professional roofing contractor using the proper equipment, techniques, and safety protocols, not just the average handyman. Each installation should always follow the specified roofing manufacturer's written specification. Align the U-Anchor according to the engineered design. Most designs are transferred to the roof surface with chalk lines. Trace the perimeter of the U-Anchor. Center the membrane attachment ring to the marked area. Install the U-Anchor plate using the correct type and quantity of fasteners specified by your design professional. Realign the U-Anchor to the marked area. Then, using the manufacturer's written specifications, hot air weld the interior area of the ring Once the interior weld is completed, weld the perimeter edge of the target membrane to achieve a minimum 2-inch weld. If required, apply seam sealant in accordance with the roofing manufacturer's specifications. You have just completed installing the best anchoring system on the market for commercial roofs. Now you can go ahead and attach your mission-critical systems and components to the roof with confidence. Always be sure to have an experienced and professional roofer install your U-anchor while following the proper techniques and roofing manufacturer's written specification on every installation. And remember, if you need it installed on your roof, we can do that too. Thank you for choosing Anchor Products.